Fuck recipes, you're a better cook than you think. Meatballs. Cheap, easy, a ton of variations. First things first, you're gonna need some sort of meat. I'm using a mixture of beef and lamb because it's sold in this Middle Eastern store I go to. Chicken, pork, just beef, just lamb, whatever you want to do. Spice, I'm making this more of like a kofta, which is a Middle Eastern type meatball. I'm going coriander, I'm going cumin. You want to throw in steak spice, you want to throw in any rub you got in your pantry, do that. My suggestion, just get rid of the stuff that's already in your pantry. Aromatics, garlic, onion, can't go wrong with that. Maybe you're going into Asian town and you want to put in some umami, some soy or some oyster sauce or some hoisin, then you want to add a bit of ginger, whatever you got, use the aromatics you have. Herb, I'm going cilantro. Fresh herbs is best. You can go parsley, you can go basil, you can go chives. I call the last part here stuff. Stuff can be condiments you want to get rid of. Maybe I'll use that mango chutney. Maybe I'll use their little harissa paste. Maybe I'll toss in an anchovy. Throw in whatever you got to bulk it up, to give it a bit of action. The one thing I will mention under stuff is I like to add a little bit of breadcrumbs if I have them. The breadcrumbs help maintain the juices, they hold them, they make it a little bit more tender. You can also add an egg here if you want to bind it a bit better. Breadcrumbs or an egg if you want. If you don't want to add them, it doesn't make a massive difference. I'm gonna make a quick little sauce also. It's gonna have tahini. If you don't have tahini, which is like a sesame paste, you can just omit that. I'll add a little bit of yogurt to that. That brings a little brightness and acidity, and I'll add a little chili crisp. So you got tahini, yogurt, chili crisp. You can also just do yogurt, chili crisp. You can do yogurt, lemon zest. You can do yogurt, fresh herbs, whatever you want. Just a nice little base to nestle the meatballs in. Let's make it. Don't doubt yourself in the kitchen. Get in there, do it, make it happen.